Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to unblock someone on Facebook page. So if you also want to unblock someone on Facebook page, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open your Facebook application. Make sure you're logged into your page. Once you're logged into your page, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Sometimes you might have blocked someone accidentally and you might want to unblock them. In order to do so, what you have to do is tap on the menu icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen just below the message icon. Now you'll be led to the menu interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. What you have to do is scroll down. Now here you'll be able to find the option for settings and privacy. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the option for settings, device requests, link history, dark mode, cellular data uses. All you have to do is tap on the first option, that is settings. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the settings and privacy interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the information regarding your account. You'll also be able to find the section for preferences. Scroll down. Here under audience and visibility at second last, you'll be able to find the option for blocking. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the blocking interface. You'll be able to see all the people that you've blocked right over here. Right next to their profile, you'll be able to find the option for unblock. If you want to unblock them, simply tap on the unblock option that you can see right next to their profile. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Are you sure you want to unblock that person? If you're sure that you want to unblock that person, simply tap on the unblock option that you can see right over here. Now after that, that particular profile will be unblocked. So that is how you unblock someone on Facebook page. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.